In the heart of a vast, snow-covered forest, there lived a bear named Bruno. Bruno was the strongest bear in the forest, but he was also the most patient one. One day, as Bruno was gathering food for the winter, he stumbled upon a small bird with a broken wing. The bird was unable to fly, and Bruno saw that it was in danger from the cold and predators. Bruno decided to help the bird. He found a hollow tree and made a nest for the bird inside. He brought it berries and water every day, and kept the nest warm with his fur. The other animals in the forest were amazed by Bruno's kindness. They had never seen a bear take care of a bird before. They asked him, "Why are you spending so much time and effort helping this small bird?" Bruno replied, "Because I have learned that even the smallest creature deserves respect and compassion. We are all part of the same world, and we must help each other when we can." The other animals were inspired by Bruno's words. They realized that they too could make a difference in the lives of others, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant their actions may seem. The bird, who had grown strong and healthy under Bruno's care, eventually flew away. Bruno watched it go, knowing that he had made a difference in its life. From that day on, Bruno became a symbol of patience and compassion in the forest. He showed the other animals that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a big impact. And the moral of the story is, be patient and kind, for even the smallest actions can make a big difference in the world.